There are many traders around the world who use a lot of indicators in their trading. If you look into their chart, you will barely see what is going on there. You can barely see and spot the real trading opportunities. But for me, as a professional trader, I trade futures and I trade forex. I only use one very powerful indicator, the moving average, which is the 50 moving average, with some little tricks that I can show you if you follow me and subscribe to my channel. This way, with this trading arsenal, you have the volume, standard deviation, and the 50 moving average. You can spot trades easily and be profitable in your trading.